Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Hello, I'm Cody Barrett with the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for Thursday, November 9. The highly anticipated One Belmont property by Cygnus Real Estate Finance is now approaching completion, and the expected move-in date is scheduled for early next year. David Cummins, Vice President and Head of Real Estate, has confirmed that the Class A office building, covering 80,000 square feet, will offer ample space to accommodate all business activities within the facility.
We knew that our research showed that there's a lot of frustration in Kingston where people can't find places to park when they go to the business. So we ensured that we had more than adequate parking spaces designed into this project. So in essence, what you have is a 5-story office building sitting on top of a 4-story parking garage. And when I say Class A office building, it's a true Class A office building in every sense, meaning all of the modern standards and conveniences, including performances of the building during earthquakes and natural disasters, have been taken into account in the design of One Belmont.
This project is a commercial joint venture with Cygnus holding a 70% stake, with the remaining 30% belonging to the Tavares-Finson family. Initially targeted for completion in April 2023, it was subsequently postponed to September 2023, and now the practical completion date is set for the year end. According to Mr. Cummings, the delay was primarily due to construction risk associated with challenges in the supply chain.
Because without the materials of the essential systems, the fire systems, the air conditioning systems, the generator systems and so on, it pretty much is an orchestra that you're putting together to complete one of these buildings. And it's a very large structure. You're talking about 80,000 square feet of office space with 160,000 square feet of parking space. So it is quite a large project by any measure. And in order to, with the perfect world of the supply chain working, it's a very challenging act for us to be able to deliver it, as per our original schedule, which of course a schedule that was made during COVID. The schedule was originally made in 2019.
Mohan Beckford, the Chief Visionary Officer at Next Step Digital Solutions, is emphasizing the crucial importance of small businesses creating a website. Many business owners have turned to Instagram as their primary platform for connecting with consumers, using links in their bios for bookings. However, Beckford suggests that this strategy can be detrimental to their business.
Social media in and of itself is a means to an end. It is used as an avenue towards your website. So if I can envision it, the website would be in the middle, like the nucleus, and all those social media accounts are driving traffic to your website because your information or product offering on your website is better organized.
Beckford further highlights that one of the primary goals of Next Step Digital Solutions is to engage more Caribbean businesses to shift their mindset and view a website as a valuable investment. This shift can significantly enhance their visibility.
Because if you post something 5 months ago, a lot of persons not really scrolling all the way down. So at the end of the day, it is important, it is definitely important to have a website and to get a website that is effective, an effective website, whether it is properly optimized or it stands the test of time where security is concerned.
And before we go, in light of increasing property prices, interest rates, and construction costs, here's a business tip for real estate investors from Vice President and Head of Real Estate at Cygnus, David Cummings.
And if you're not careful, you can get hurt easily. The fact is, at the start of a project, if you start a project with what you think is a 15% margin, chances are you're going to end up with single digit. If you start it with 10%, what you think is a 10% margin, you're going to end up in 4, 5, or 6%. So before you start the project, you have to ensure you have the numbers correct, because the numbers won't appear at the end of the project. They'll only get worse.
That's it for the Business Bites today. Thanks for watching.